Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie a ponytail. Fix this bun pin on the hairs. Now roll down the hairs like this around it. After rolling the hairs, fold it around upward and make a bun. Fix it and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie a ponytail. Now fix this hair clutch. Now tie it from the bottom and then roll it upward like this. Fix it and then again put a hair clutch and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, comb the hairs properly. Now roll it using the fingers and roll it down like this. Fix it and then put the hair clips or the bun pin and your bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie a ponytail. Now roll the hairs and then fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it and put the hair clutch and your bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the rubber band and then fix it. Now put the hair clips. Tie it from the between and then roll it upward and fix it. Now put the hair clutch and your bun is ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, tie the rubber band from the bottom section, fold it upward like this and fix it. Put the bun pin on the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix this bun clip on the hairs. Roll the hairs around it and fix it using the hair clip and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the rubber band and then make the plaits on half of the hairs. Fold it upward and fix it like this. Now again tie it from the bottom, rotate the hairs and then fix it over the bun like this. Tie the hairs from the sides, roll it down and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching.